Welcome to this video on data management for AI. As the world becomes more data-driven, it has become essential for organizations to use data to improve their business processes and decision-making. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, algorithms have emerged as powerful tools to derive insights from large datasets. However, to make the most out of AI, you need to manage your data effectively. In this video, we will cover the fundamentals of data management for AI. What is data management for AI? Data management for AI involves the collection, storage, processing, and analysis of data for AI applications. Data management includes all activities that are necessary to ensure that the data is accurate, complete, consistent, and secure. It is essential to have a robust data management strategy in place to ensure that the data is well prepared for AI. Data management. The first step in data management for AI is to collect the data. You can collect data from various sources, such as customer feedback, sales data, social media, and website analytics. You should consider the quality, relevance, and diversity of the data before collecting it. Once you have collected the data, you need to pre-process it. Pre-processing involves cleaning, filtering, and transforming the data into a suitable format for analysis. Data storage. The next step in data management for AI is to store the data. You can store the data on premises or in the cloud. Cloud storage has become popular due to its scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. When storing data, it is essential to consider factors such as security, accessibility, and performance. You can also use data warehouses or data lakes to store the data. Data processing. Data processing involves transforming raw data into meaningful insights. You can use various techniques such as statistical analysis, data mining, and machine learning algorithms to process the data. The choice of the technique depends on the type of data, the business problem, and the goals of the analysis. It is essential to validate the results of the analysis to ensure that they are accurate and reliable. Data analysis. The final step in data management for AI is to analyze the data. You can use visualization tools to display the data in a meaningful way. Data visualization helps to identify patterns and trends in the data, which can be used to make informed decisions. You can also use predictive analytics to forecast future trends based on the data. In conclusion, data management is a crucial component of AI. By following a robust data management strategy, you can ensure that your data is accurate, complete, consistent, and secure. This will enable you to derive valuable insights from your data using AI and improve your business processes and decision-making. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in mastering data management for AI. Here, we will cover the fundamental concepts of data collection and pre-processing, and provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you prepare your data for AI. What is data collection? Data collection is the process of gathering data from various sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, or sensors. Before collecting data, it is important to define the problem you want to solve and determine the data you need to solve it. Once you have identified the data you need, you can start collecting it. The data should be relevant, complete, and representative of the problem you are trying to solve. Types of data. There are two types of data, structured and unstructured data. Structured data is organized in a specific format, such as tables or spreadsheets, while unstructured data is not organized in a specific format, such as images, text, or audio files. When collecting data, it is essential to identify the type of data you are collecting to determine the appropriate pre-processing techniques. Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is the process of cleaning and transforming raw data into a format suitable for analysis. Data pre-processing involves several steps, including data cleaning, data transformation, and data normalization. Data cleaning. Data cleaning involves removing irrelevant or duplicate data and correcting errors in the data. This ensures that the data is accurate and reliable. Data transformation. Data transformation involves converting the data into a format suitable for analysis. This includes converting unstructured data into structured data, such as converting text into numerical values. Data normalization. Data normalization involves scaling the data to a common range to ensure that all features are weighted equally in the analysis. This helps to prevent certain features from dominating the analysis. Tools for data preprocessing. There are several tools available for data preprocessing, such as Python libraries, such as NumPy and Pandas, and data visualization tools, such as Tableau and Power BI. These tools make data preprocessing easier and more efficient. In conclusion, collecting and preprocessing data is a crucial step in any AI project. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure that your data is accurate, reliable, and suitable for analysis. This will enable you to derive valuable insights from your data using AI and improve your business processes and decision-making. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in preparing your data for AI. Welcome to this video on understanding data quality and its impact on AI projects. In the world of AI, the quality of data plays a critical role in the success of any project. In this video, we will explore the concept of data quality and its impact on AI projects. What is data quality? Data quality refers to the accuracy, completeness, consistency, relevance, and timeliness of the data. Accurate data is free from errors and mistakes. Complete data contains all the necessary information required for analysis. Consistent data is uniform and conforms to specific standards. Relevant data is directly related to the problem you are trying to solve. Timely data is available when it is needed. Impact of data quality on AI projects. The quality of data has a significant impact on the accuracy and effectiveness of AI models. Poor quality data can lead to incorrect predictions, biased results, and inaccurate insights. Data quality issues can also lead to wasted time and resources. Causes of data quality issues. There are several causes of data quality issues, such as human error, outdated systems, lack of standards, and incomplete data. These issues can arise at any stage of the data life cycle, from collection to analysis. Strategies for ensuring data quality. There are several strategies for ensuring data quality, such as data profiling, data cleansing, data validation, and data governance. Data profiling involves analyzing the data to identify any quality issues. Data cleansing involves removing any errors or inconsistencies in the data. Data validation involves checking the accuracy and completeness of the data. Data governance involves implementing policies and procedures to ensure data quality. Tools for ensuring data quality. There are several tools available for ensuring data quality, such as data quality management software, data profiling tools, and data cleansing tools. These tools make it easier to identify and correct data quality issues. In conclusion, the quality of data plays a critical role in the success of any AI project. By understanding data quality and implementing strategies for ensuring data quality, you can improve the accuracy and effectiveness of AI models and avoid wasted time and resources. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding data quality and its impact on AI projects. Welcome to this video on data storage and security considerations for AI. In the world of AI, data storage and security are critical components that must be carefully considered to ensure the success of any project. In this video, we will explore the best practices for data storage and security considerations for AI. Data storage. Data storage is the process of storing data in a secure and organized manner. In AI projects, large amounts of data are generated and must be stored in a way that ensures accessibility, availability, and scalability. There are several options for data storage, such as cloud-based storage, on-premise storage, and hybrid storage solutions. It is important to consider the cost, security, and compliance requirements when choosing a data storage solution. Data security. Compliance considerations. In addition to data storage and security, compliance considerations are also essential for AI projects. Compliance requirements, such as HIPAA, GDPR, and CCPA, must be considered when storing and processing data. Compliance requirements may dictate where data can be stored, how it can be accessed, and how it can be processed. Best practices for data storage and security. There are several best practices for data storage and security, such as implementing a data backup strategy, using multi-factor authentication, regularly updating software, and conducting regular security audits. It is also important to have a plan in place for responding to security incidents. Tools for data storage and security. There are several tools available for data storage and security, such as cloud-based storage providers, data encryption software, and security information and event management (SIEM) tools. These tools can help to ensure the security and accessibility of data in AI projects. In conclusion, data storage and security considerations are critical components of any AI project. By implementing best practices for data storage and security, and using the right tools, you can ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the best practices for data storage and security considerations for AI.